Hi guys, today I will finish making a drift for the swivel axle on that Mercedes on 108, 109, 113 and likes. So what I got myself a tube, steel tube, 16-inch long and quarter inch wall. Hopefully you can see it now. Yes. So that's thick enough and sturdy enough. Plus, it will provide enough meat for me to drill into it and top it for the proper bolt. So what I did here, I drilled it out into 18.5 mil right here where you see the bolt. Then topped it with 18.5, sorry, we topped it with the 20 mil 1.5 thread pitch. And I threaded in the bolt, 2-inch bolt, which is the same as the securing bolt on our swivel pin. So then I cut as you see, that bolt was like a $6 or whatever, so I just got another one, right? And cut that end with a sawzall. Before, of course, I drove the pin all the way in until it bottomed out. That blue Loctite is on it, and now I will just take it to a machine shop and have that nicely faced, so it looks pretty. And also, I need to put a chamfer on it, so when you first starting, you're not gonna score nothing, and it's gonna go easy and look nice to put. So anyway, that's a quick video. You can do this at home yourself if you don't have that tool, and that tool is really handy. As you can see in John's video, without that tool there would be no cake. So anyway, that's how you can do it.